Good morning. Can you believe it? I am in Peru. Got here last night and I've got the best room you can ever imagine. It's massive, got windows all over the place. I've never stayed at a hotel like this before. Massive thumbs up to the Western Hotel here in Peru. Today, got a great day. I'm going to meet Jo. You might remember her from my previous videos in Peru, and she's going to take me to Magdalena Market. There we're going to try all sorts of foods, including fruits and nuts and God knows what. Jungle juices? What the hell are jungle juices? I don't know. But anyway, first of all, I've got to get ready. Jo! I haven't seen Jo since 2013. Wow!
Crazy.
Back here again with a professional camera and a professional microphone.
This is crazy stuff.
We are gonna eat until I've got my elastic pants on. So elastic pants means lots of food. And I'm gonna go to the ATM. But Jo is also helping me out because I buggered up my drone, as you know. And my laptop is now fucked too. So it's, according to Jo, it is Mercury in retrograde.
Correct.
Which means
all communications go to hell.
Which is ridiculous. I mean, why? Why?
Because Mercury's a bitch.
In 600 meters.
Doesn't she look pretty with her pink hair
Aww.
and her pink glasses? Oh, anyway, so we are going there now. Check it out. We are going to try some local food. We are in a market area called Magdalena, and Jo's going to tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, we're here at the Magdalena Market, which is in the district of Magdalena, and it is the second best market. I'll be honest, it's the second best market. Surquillo is the first one, but it's over towards Miraflores and too far from my home. This one I can walk to, so I love it. You can find a little bit of everything here, and today we're going to try a bunch of different foods.
What?
We're going to try papa rellena. We're going to try ceviche con chicharrón. We're going to try ceviche de concha negra. We're going to try some fruit juices from the jungle, and we're also going to try some local coffee.
Did you get any of that? I didn't, but we'll work out what it is. I'm going to show you what the food's about. So let's go. So here we are. There's a potato, there's some onions, and what's this sauce?
So this is the typical salsa cut in.
Absolutely, go for it. How do they make it?
So it's mashed potato that they then wrap around ground beef, egg, black olive, and raisin, a little bit of onion, some seasonings, and then they wrap mashed potato around it and then fry it.
Okay. And tell us again what's it called?
papa rellena, which is literally stuffed potato.
All right, so here's a potato, mashed potato, fried. Is it ground beef? Did you say?
Ground beef.
Ground beef. That's really good.
My mother-in-law swears by this papa rellena specifically. It's the only one she will buy.
I can't really tell. I mean, it just tastes like really well cooked ground beef with onions. The egg doesn't really add any flavor to it. I guess it just adds a bit of a substance. And here goes the whole lot: the egg, the meat. Yum. That chili does have a bit of a kick. Oh! They like their spicy food here. All right.
So the thing about Peruvian food is the food itself is generally not spicy. It's very flavorful, heavy seasons, lots and lots of flavor, but it's not spicy. The spice always comes from the additional sauces on the side, so that you can usually make it as spicy as you want to make it based on what pepper or spice you're using.
We are now going to continue eating the rest of this and then go and try something else. See you in a bit.